Alright, what's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video what we're going to talk about is Amazon dropshipping in 2022. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. On this channel I've talked about eBay dropshipping, Facebook dropshipping. You might see some videos about YouTube, about Walmart dropshipping. But in this video we're going to talk about Amazon dropshipping in 2022. What you should know, what you shouldn't know, the advantages, disadvantages, who should dropship on there, and so on. So like the video. I've been dropshipping on Amazon off and on for the past 4 years. It's difficult to run eBay dropshipping, Facebook dropshipping, Amazon dropshipping, Walmart dropshipping all together unless you have one systemized that you can jump onto the other. Now, if you're starting dropshipping, you're like, Mark, where to start? Should I start on eBay, Facebook, Amazon, Walmart? So Amazon, what I'm going to talk to you about is who should start on Amazon, what you should look out for, if you should start, why you should start, how to automate the Amazon business. So let's go. So Amazon dropshipping in 2022, Amazon dropshipping has been around for a long time. It has changed. Amazon has suspended some guys for dropshipping, not suspended. If you keep your metrics tight, you should be fine. But there are one or two things that you should look out for in 2022. So one, you should not be dropshipping from Walmart to Amazon at scale. There are some people that dropship on Amazon and add some Walmart products in between because there are certain items that do not come in Walmart boxes. But if you're dropshipping directly from Walmart to Amazon and all your items are from Walmart, generally speaking, you're going to get suspended. Now, I've done Amazon dropshipping product research videos. Now, I've deleted a lot of them where I focus on Walmart. Because now in 2022, you want to focus on other suppliers. You want to look at Zorro, you want to look at Vitacost, you want to look at, mix them up other than just Walmart. Now, there's another way, there's a secret. I guess I'll call it a secret. Because this has not been published on YouTube yet. OA Genius, and I'll put a link to the software in the description, they have come out with a way to dropship from Walmart to Amazon. Now, I know that I just said don't dropship from Walmart to Amazon. But now there's a way to dropship from Walmart to Amazon. What is it? So this software, you can list these items on Amazon from Walmart with a profit margin. Now, before, you would ship your item directly from Walmart to the buyer. But now, a lot of people are commenting saying, hey, I got my box from Walmart. And then the Amazon algorithm with negative feedback and people reviewing your account can suspend you for this. So one of the solutions where you can dropship, still use the Walmart inventory to take advantage of making money on Amazon, is that you ship the items to yourself or you ship it to a prep center first, then that prep center now ships it out to the buyer. It is not exactly the same as just using the other suppliers. But if you're used to using Walmart, and if you see that Walmart still has a lot of options, there is a solution with OA Genius. And if you want me to do a video deeper into that, I will do that, and let me know in the comment section. But if you are drop shipping on Amazon, you can scale using other suppliers. You need to ensure that your metrics are tight. You need to ship items out quickly, upload tracking numbers on time. You need to set your handling time to the correct amount based on what your supplier is shipping out. And Amazon dropshipping allows you to open an account without a corporation. You can open it in your personal name with your social security number, or you can open it with a corporation, and you have the advantage of scaling to the moon. You have the advantage of making $10,000 to $20,000 a month profit if you have enough credit. And because there are a lot of dropshippers on there, you could use the sniping method and figure out what other people are selling. Now that's just one product research option. The other product research strategy is where you systematically go through categories, find items below $300,000, 300,000 sales rank, to basically guarantee that those items sell on Amazon and sell the same items. But Amazon dropshipping is an opportunity in 2022. You have to know how to keep your account tight so you do not get suspended, but you're taking advantage of the billions of dollars that are sold on Amazon on a yearly basis. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. we'll go into more detail about suppliers, product research, different software available. I do a lot of product research using OA Genius. Check the link in the description. Have a good one, guys. Peace.